Das ist super, dass Clementine sich kann, selber beschützen kann. Und I'm sorry, Clemmy. Wir müssen noch deine Haare abschneiden.
Hi.
Leider.
So you're probably not gonna like this.
Oh no. What happened?
Nothing. We have to talk about your hair. It's not safe.
That's not nice.
Nein,
What?
ist es nicht.
Are you saying it smells?
Oh, nein.
'Cause it does. Kinda.
We're all
Do
smelling.
you remember when Andy St. John grabbed it and I got mad?
Yeah.
Well, that could happen again. And if it's a walker, well, we need to trim it.
Just a trim, right?
I need to cut it short enough so that it can't get grabbed.
Sorry.
Okay.
Ja, warten wir
You
noch
know, we
rasch.
don't have to do this right away.
Okay. Good.
Aber vielleicht wäre es nicht schlecht gewesen. Ah. Können wir noch mal reden? Komm, wir reden noch mal
My
drüber.
hands hurt and my ears have noise in them. Like,
Ja.
You'll get used to it.
So, wegen deinem Haar. Sie sieht so
And
traurig
if we do
aus.
this now,
I guess not.
don't mope. It's a good thing.
Oh, man. Das Haar von einem kleinen
Do
Mädchen
you
ist so
know how to
ziemlich...
do this?
Nope. No idea.
No idea. I'm not much of a stylist, you know.
I'm going to look like a boy.
But think how
Yeah.
much safer you'll be.
I'd rather be dead.
Oh.
So you did kill someone before.
Yep.
I'm glad you finally told me.
Me too.
You've killed lots of things now. It doesn't even matter.
Yep. Ja, aber Killen ist blöd.
Killing is bad no matter what.
Yep.
But you do it now to protect yourself. And to protect me.
Yep.
Doesn't make it good.
But you have to.
Yep.
I do it because it's necessary. Walkers aren't people. Okay, I think I'm about done. I can probably tie these pieces back with something.
Here, I have some hair thingies.
You do?
Hair
Yeah,
thingies.
Lily gave them to me for sleeping.
There, all set.
You look cute, Clemmy.
Does it look dumb?
Nein.
You look cute, and a lot harder to grab.
Oh, Clemmy. Yes, it's a lot safer now, aber komm.
Sorry about your hair. I think it looks cute, though.
Ja.
My mom isn't going to like it.
Ich kann noch wegen ein
I
paar
need to
Sachen
look around
schauen.
for a few things that'll make sure we're prepared when we get to Savannah.
That would be good. I hope it's safe there.
Jetzt müssen wir den Kenny stressen, weil wir vorbei müssen und die Map holen. Oh man. Nein, den Drink bringe ich ihm nicht. Nur Alki können wir nicht betrunken brauchen. Dir ist noch alles okay, Ben? Kenny?
Hey,
Yeah?
Willst du immer noch aufs Boot?
you still want to get a boat?
It's still the best plan.
Ken,
It's the best plan.
Wegen meiner
I wanted to
Vergangenheit.
talk to you about keeping my past from you all.
You told us it was your parents' store back in Macon. That was enough personal information. I'm sure Kat would be, okay with you. So forget it.
Okay.
Sind da irgendwelche
Are
Karten,
there any maps up
bitte?
here?
I don't know.
I just want to look over one with Clem so she has a lay of the land once we get to Savannah.
Please. Lass mich vorbei.
Get out of here.
It's full of maps and documents.
Ich ich brauch's.
What's your problem?
I
Mind
need
if I get by
the
you for a
maps.
second, Kitty?
Can you just leave me alone?
I need
You mind if I
the
look in there
maps.
for a second?
I really wish you'd just leave me alone.
Kenny, I need the maps.
Get out of here.
Maps!
What's your problem?
Mind
Ah!
if I get by you for a second, Kitty?
Can you just leave me alone?
Keine Ahnung, was ich jetzt machen soll. Er lässt mich nicht vorbei. Hey.
Well, the girl can shoot.
It doesn't have to be pretty.
Probably will be before too long.
Yep. Und
You
Haare
get that hair
abgeschnitten.
sorted,
Yeah, I don't think she cares for it.
she will.
Ja.
Hey,
Yo,
hey,
yo.
Hey, yo. So telefoniere ich auch immer. Sag immer, hey, yo, alles klar. God damn it, Kenny!
are there any maps up here?
I don't know.
I just want to look over one with
ja,
Claire
was-
so she has a lay of the land once we get to Savannah.
Let
You
me
mind if
through.
I look in there for a second?
I really wish you'd just leave me alone.
I was lucky enough to get it working once.
Ja, ich weiß gerade wirklich nicht, was ich da soll machen. Also, muss ich mit dem Ben reden? Hast du Karten,
Hey,
Ben?
Ben.
Hey.
See you.
Yeah.
Er hat sich schon gefreut, dass wir mit ihm reden. Hey, Ben. Man sieht sich.
I hope we're not on this train much longer.
Also gut, das ist die einzige Option, die uns noch bleibt, um da... Ah nein, schau mal.
It's a fifth of whiskey. He's lived here a while.
Ja, in dem Fall müssen wir ihm wirklich den Rank bringen. Kann es doch nicht sein. Willst du einen Drink? Nein, du nicht. Kenny, willst du einen Drink? Vielleicht können wir dann rasch Zug fahren. Nein. In dem Fall müssen wir es wirklich ihm bringen. Aber ich will doch keinen betrunkenen Obdachlosen bei mir haben, Mann. Das ist ja gefährlich. Here you
Found
go.
this if you want it.
Damn. Didn't realize I had it left. Thank you. Want a nip?
Nah, I'm fine.
Nah, I'm fine.
Suit yourself. Anybody in there want to share a drink, you let them know.
Will do.
Well, Kenny might be. Vielleicht will der Kenny einen Schluck. Wir fragen mal.
Chuck wanted to know if you needed a drink.
He's got some.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not, huh?
Yeah. That'd help.
Oh man, jetzt sind beide draussen und niemand ist da. Okay.
Thanks.
Alright, gut. Du bist nicht betrunken, oder? Gut. Dann haben wir die Karte jetzt und wir können...
It was me.
Huh?
I was the one giving the bandits supplies.
What?
It's all my fault.
Wieso zur Hölle, Mann?
Why the hell would you do this?
They said they had my friend, that he was with them. By the time I realized they didn't, it was too late. They said they'd kill me. Kill all of us. I'm sorry, Lee. You still want to talk to me?
Ja. Ja, man.
Yeah, I do.
I'm real sorry.
Ja, ich
Let's
weiß.
drop it for now, okay?
Was machst
What are
du?
you doing out here?
I, couldn't be back there anymore. I needed some air.
Anything else?
I was thinking about talking to Kenny.
Not a good idea.
I guess not.
Ja, behalt den Scheiß für dich
Dead
selber.
serious about you keeping your mistakes to yourself.
I can tell.
You get why, right?
I guess.
You better.
Mhm.
See ya.
Yeah.
Alles geht auf seine Kappe. Aber ich will nicht noch mehr Tote. Ich will nicht noch mehr Tote, Mann. Auch wenn es so einen ist, er wird es nie mehr machen. Schau, was ich
I
gefunden
want to
habe.
talk about Savannah
Ah, der Wichser, Ben.
and what we're gonna
God
do
damn
when
it.
we get there. We don't know what to expect. The city could be bad or totally under control. The thing is, you and I, we're a team, you know? And a team needs a plan. Aside from everyone else, when this train stops, you and I should know exactly what we're doing.
A plan. I like it.
Okay.
Good.
Wir sollten
We should
unseren
go our
eigenen
own way
Weg
when we
gehen.
get there. The crew is falling apart. You and I are stronger alone.
What about the boat? What about Ben?
You'll be fine.
Okay. Can we at least look for my parents when we get there before we go?
Also
Okay,
gut.
we'll look for
Klemm für dich.
But then we're moving on.
Really?
Yes, of course. I'm sorry. Let's look at the map. If we can figure out where they were, we can start there.
Und ja,
Okay,
ich fange mich an mit dem Gedanken daran
Looks like we'll come right
auseinandersetzen.
through town if
Der
there's nothing on the
Obdachlos.
tracks to hold us
Ah,
up. And unless
Kenny
Savannah is
ist ein
somehow
Wrack.
walker free,
Ben,
we know we want to stay in
Verräter.
town.
Wir
Are
gehen
we
das
going
zweite
to have to
weiter.
live in the woods?
You don't like the woods.
I don't like the woods.
Well, what I think we should do, after we look for your mom and dad, is head north, keeping water, the ocean on our right side.
So we can't get surprised by walkers.
Yep.
Exactly.
I like the beach.
Good. Now we've got a good chunk of Savannah here. What do you think?
They always stay in the same place when they go there. It's,
Oh,
Hey, don't worry. We'll figure it out.
ja.
Have you ever been there?
once.
Well, think about it. There are a lot of hotels on here, but read this map and maybe it'll jog your memory.
They've got really tasty desserts. It's called the, something Mar.
Is this it? The Marsh House?
Yes, that's it!
Marsch, also
So we'll
okay.
head there.
Yes!
You think we have a good plan?
I think it's very good.
Aber kann ich ihr nicht noch sagen?
Tell my parents? You know.
Ja,
Sure.
sicher kannst du alles erzählen.
All right. How do you feel?
Good.
Aber,
Better. I'm glad we have a plan.
ich würde dir gerne
And
noch
you're
sagen,
a
dass
good
wir
little shot.
nicht können sicher
I
sein
guess we should see how
ob sie
far.
noch leben. Oh man, ich hab's gewusst. Unexpected Delay. Unbeabsichtigte Verzögerung oder unerwartete Verzögerung. Was ist los? Oh no.
Fuck!
Kenny ist ein Wrack, ich sag's so,
Maybe
er
we
wird.
could walk? That's fucking stupid, Ben. I'm just saying.
I don't know. I ain't got much experience with y'all's fortitude, but we could probably deal with that. We got a goddamn train.
That thing's not full of milk, Charles. That's gas or diesel. Something that's gonna explode.
Oh.
You gotta get a hold of yourself. This a crew here.
This ain't shit.
This.
Yo, you keep screaming like that and you're gonna get your face chewed off.
Oh
You
no.
guys gonna be trouble?
No,
Because
you
we
überleben
could've
die.
just kept walking.
We're friendly.
No, we're friendly! Put your hand down, kid.
That's what everybody says.
We know.
Let's give these guys a break.
We'll see.
You guys got a problem with your train?
Yep.
Yeah, you're standing right in front of it.
Dude, it's a wreck. It's not so bad from up here. Send your buddy up to have a look.
Anything goes sideways up there, we won't let them escape.
Alright. Nein, Überlebende sind nie gut. Überlebende sind nie gut. But alright. Let's go up there.
If I come up there, you better not be murderers or thieves.
I guess you'll have to find out.
Oh man.
A group of guys is what we need.
They're what you think we need. We're doing fine.
For now. What about when...
Stop it.
Hey, dude. I'm Omid.
Lee,
Christa, what's the deal with the train?
we're driving it.
Oh, man.
Yeah,
Hey, I'm not gonna bullshit you. Our group is a little fucked right now.
Yep.
We had a bite victim, then his mom took her life, and before that, just...
It's okay.
Oh, shit. God damn, you guys have a kid.
What are you doing up here?
Do you know how long it's been since I've seen a kid? Shit. What's your name?
Wieso,
Clementine.
wieso bist du so interessiert,
so he
oder?
gets to swear.
Oh, this is great. See? Things are looking up.
You're not her dad. He down there?
It's that obvious?
To me.
And no, he's not down there.
Huh. What's your story?
Alright. Yep, von Anfang
I
an
came
Wahrheit.
across Clementine alone. First day all of this happened. I was actually incarcerated.
Sick. Do you have any prison tats?
I didn't make it that far.
And everybody down there, they're cool?
Ben is young and stupid. Ja,
Kenny lost his wife and kid.
Man,
gerade
how long
gestern.
ago?
What time is it?
I don't know, 4?
Maybe 2 hours ago.
We're sorry for anything that's happened to you guys. That train is awesome, though.
That tank is your real problem. We'll help you with it, but if we see anything we don't like, we're moving on down the road. Alone.
We'd
All right.
appreciate the help.
You can't just blast through it, I guess?
If you could get it down, the rest would probably be pretty easy.
We'll
I hope
start
so.
there.
We'll come down and settle in and see if we can help.
Alright.